Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Krisp noise cancellation on Discord. So first, you need to be in a Discord call, preferably. You can join your server, you can create one and just be on a call. Here you have the noise cancellation and suppression powered by Krisp. You need to press on that, it's close to the disconnect button. And here you can disable it and enable it. So you can test the mic without it and test the mic with it. So that's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.